Hello students, today I am going to describe you diary entry with the help of an example. Diary entry inculcates in students the skills of understanding and creativity. I start with the format. On the top left corner of the page, we will start with writing date, followed by day, followed by time. Then leaving one line, we have to write the salutation, that is Dear Diary in this case. Now you can see I have given an example how to write date. This sort of format has to be followed, like 26 June 2020, day Friday, and the time we have to take any night time, like before going to bed we write a diary. So in this manner we can take 10 p.m. Now I will tell you. Now let's come to the content part. This will be written after Dear Diary. In this part I will tell you a trick to write a better content. We have to use first person, that is I, because the writer of the diary is the only narrator. So when you are the writer, you will start writing with I, and everywhere whatever you will narrate, you will write I. Tense. Now what kind of a tense we have to use while writing a diary is a big question for children. We have to use simple past tense. Another tense is the present perfect tense, and future tense also we have to use while writing a conclusion. Then at the end of the diary we have to write down our name, because we are the only writer of the diary. So at the end, at the bottom left corner, we will write down name and we will put a sign below our name. So the big question is how to start writing a diary. So we can simply begin with describing the weather or the day. Suppose we can write, today it was a pleasant day, the weather was so good, it was a sad day today, it was a very exciting day today. In this way, we can give a proper beginning to diary. Then, in the body part, we can describe the event, that is, what happened or what was the effect of the incident on your mind or on the surroundings. So you have to write down that what event happened and what was the effect of the incident that happened. In the end, in the conclusion part, you can give a future action, that I would like to do this, I would like to see to it. Many things you can write expressing the future action that you have to take place or that should be taken place. Suppose a question comes in exam for writing a diary, and suppose the question is, you had the annual function of your school today. Record your experience in the form of a diary entry, and the word limit is 100 to 150 words. So let's see how we can start writing a diary entry. I'm feeling very great today. We had the annual function in our school and I had a very important part in it. So how you have started? You have started that what kind of a day was today. And now you will tell that what incident happened because of which the day for you was a great one. So you have mentioned the kind of day, then the incident, that was the annual function in your school. Why it was great? Then you will describe it. And I had a very important part in it. Because you had to play a very important part in it, that's why the day was great. I was the anchor of the whole function. Now you have described and mentioned very clearly that why the day was so great, because you was the anchor of the whole function. In the second paragraph, we will start that how you have functioned as an anchor in the annual function. I started off confidently and continued till the end without making mistakes. This way you can start with the next paragraph. And this way you have to keep going. You have to describe the whole function, like you can write down that who was the chief guest and what kind of a speech he gave, and how children listened to his speech, and what was the effect on you of his great speech, and what kind of a program was it, what were the events that happened in the annual function, dances, dramas and all. You have to describe each and everything very briefly, very shortly, and then we'll see the conclusion part. Now let's start with the conclusion part. Conclusion is the last para of the diary entry. Let's see how we can write it. I felt really lucky today and happy that I could perform in front of all. It was indeed a wonderful day. I'm feeling so tired. We'll see you tomorrow. At the bottom you have to write your name. I have taken XYZ. You can write down the name that is given in the question. So in this way you can write diary in a very easy manner.